What is your name?
Russian John Pulu.
Rosin. What would you like to be when you grow up?
A YouTuber.
A what?
YouTuber.
Want to be a YouTuber? Why you want to be a YouTuber? Where you got that from? What inspired you to be a YouTuber? How you came up with wanting to be a YouTuber? Because you watch a lot of YouTube?
Huh?
You watch a lot of YouTube?
I don't know, so.
So how come you decide you want to be a YouTuber?
I like them.
You like them, okay. What is your name?
Tamale Brown.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A lawyer.
Want to be a lawyer? Who you want to defend?
Huh?
Who do you want to defend at your law firm? Your friends them? Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up? A soldier? Like the rat patrol over there, the soldier jeep, you like it? It's a nice soldier jeep, right? Okay, good. What is your name?
Jamaica. I want to be a soldier.
You want to be a soldier too? You like the rat patrol over there? Yes? What about you? What is your name? And what do you want to be when you grow up?
A soldier.
You want to be a soldier too? Oh my gosh, everybody want to be a soldier. Don't tell me you want to be a soldier. You want to be a soldier too? Okay, what is your name? What would you like to be when you grow up?
Firefighter.
You want to be a firefighter? Nice. You're on your way. What is your name? And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
Doctor. There are lots of doctors here. You can be a doctor. There are a lot of doctors here today, okay? Make sure you talk with them and ask them what you need to do, okay? All right. What is your name? What do you want to be when you grow up? Police? You like to be like police? Very good. What is your name? And what would you like to be when you grow up?
If me don't want to sing, I'm one the one.
You can sing? Sing some of them here.
No.
Well, you can't be a shy singer. But you don't want to sing? Okay. What is your name? What would you like to be when you grow up?
A firefighter.
Want to be a firefighter? That's good. What about you? What is your name?
Antoine Henry.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
A firefighter.
Want to be a firefighter too?
Yeah.
Wow. What is your name?
Dejan Stewart.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A baller.
A what?
Baller.
A soccer player?
Yeah.
You can play?
No.
You can't play? Come, your turn. And let's talk to you. What is your name?
My name is Chimere.
Okay. And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A netballer.
You want to play netball? You can play? You're on the netball team too?
Yes.
Who is the best player on the netball team?
No, Chrisana. And the other girl.
Yeah? So what would you like to be when you grow up?
I told you already.
What is
A singer, but if that doesn't work out, I'm going to be a nurse.
She's a nurse. Come here. She's a nurse. Nurse, talk to her a little. Come here. Come next to her a second here.
Why you want to be a nurse?
Because
No, look at me.
because one time my mother didn't want to be one nurse, but she couldn't do it because COVID didn't come on.
Who, your mom? She could still go back and become a nurse.
Yeah, but now she have more other job.
There's another job now. She could still be a nurse.
But why you want to be a nurse? You like taking care of people?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You don't think she should be a nurse? She don't like taking care of people?
You like taking care of people? No, I can't like that.
They just listen you out. You can be anything you want to be, okay? Tell them that. So I can become. No, look at them and tell them. Say it. Speak it into existence. You want to be a nurse?
If my singing career works.
You want to be a singer first?
Okay, but
What
you
if
could be both. There are many nurses who are singers. There are plenty of doctors who are singers. There are plenty of police officers that are singers. Yeah? So you can be anything you want to be.
Okay.
Alright? Just put your mind to it. Okay.
Thank you, nurse. She's a real nurse. There's a real nurse there from New York. New York, she come from, you know?
New York?
Yeah.
New York, right?
New York she come from. And what you're in what grade?
Grade 5.
What is your favorite subject?
Favorite subject?
Yeah.
Science.
You like science? Okay. And who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher?
Yeah. You don't have a favorite teacher?
I have a lot of favorite teachers.
Yeah, but who you like the most?
My maths teacher.
Who?
My maths teacher.
What's the teacher's name? Nice. You like maths? All right. So my last question to you: what do you like about the school? Huh? That's a hard one. You don't know what you like about your school? Come on, you must know what you like about your school.
The teachers, the events.
Right? Teachers and the events you like. Patrice.
And the subject that we
Like the subject. Okay. Well, all the best to you in the future, okay? And please introduce yourself. What's your name? When you grow up, what would you like to be?
I want to be a fireman, sir.
You want to be a firefighter?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Sir, if I let me firefighter.
You like fire?
Yeah.
You like to start fire or to out fire?
Out fire.
That's good. What about you? When you grow up, what do you?
fire.
What can you? If it's a fire?
Huh?
Fire can't out fire?
No, sir, fire can't fire, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Divan.
When you grow up, what do you want to be?
A soldier, sir.
Soldier too? Okay, a lot of people want to be soldiers.
Sir, me?
What is your name?
One hairdresser, one flight attendant, and one doctor. She are lying.
Hold on.
Check your air, boy.
Hold on. Let's get it properly. We got to do the interview properly. What is your name? Ariana. Miss Ariana. Little Miss Ariana. Ariane. Ariane. Nice to meet you, Ariane. When you grow up, what would you like to be?
Sir?
I want something in my accent after, sir.
No, one person, one flight attendant, one doctor, and one hairdresser. Well, I want to know which one to choose.
You got to pick one. You can't pick all three of them right away.
Sir, I don't know which one to choose.
All right. Well, talk to the principal and see if he can tell you which one. Give us some direction, okay?
Okay. Sir, I can see. Any of the same age now.
Film me now. Leave the camera. Your turn with the kiss. Come, Little Miss Kiss Pop. Come here. Your turn.
That's we just come.
It's pretty fun. All right. Good. Yeah. Good afternoon. What is your name?
Love.
Your name is what?
Love. No, your real name.
What's your real name?
No, my real name.
I like all these things on your tie. What are those things?
I'm also the head boy for the school.
You know boy?
Don't tell it.
You're not the head boy. Who's the head boy? All right, let's talk to this nice little young lady here. Come on, guys, you gotta come and talk to me. I wanna ask you some questions. Come on.
Yes, sir. What is it?
Come on, interview already. Yeah, I can talk to you.
You are.
What is your name?
Stuart. Yo, Alice Walker is a
Can you come on? Don't pay them no mind, man. Don't listen to them. Let's listen to me. Listen to me. Don't listen to. Come on, don't listen to them. Listen to me. Where you gone? I'm talking to you. Come talk to me. Your turn. What is your name?
Jermaine Simpson.
Jermaine. What do you want to become when you grow up?
Sir.
Let's talk to you. Leo, what's about this?
No.
Let's talk to you.
Sir, my
Hold on. Now listen to the question. What is your name?
Jaden Adams.
When you grow up, what do you like to be?
Firefighter, sir.
Want to be a female firefighter?
Sir.
Why do you like fire?
Sir, I'm fire, me like, sir, me just like to see people, sir.
Oh, you want to save people?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, all the best to you. I hope everything works out for you, okay?
No, sir, I join the
Thank
people
you.
with the water.
Your turn. What is your name?
Yeah, man, Justin.
Hold on. Justin's turn.
Justin Chambers.
Justin, what would you like to be when you grow up?
Soldier.
Want to be a soldier? You don't like it? Your turn. What is your name?
My name is Ariana Ellis.
Ariana. When you grow up, what would you like to be?
A flight attendant.
Want to be a flight attendant? Okay. She's not going to cross the plate. All right, your turn. What is your name?
Rihanna Donald.
Rihanna, little Miss Rihanna. When you grow up, what would you like to be? A lawyer, okay? I'm sure you're gonna make a good lawyer, okay? Your turn, your turn. What is your name?
Tyler Baxter.
What is your name?
My name is
Tyler Baxter.
Tyler what?
Tyler Baxter.
Stop speaking now. What is your name?
My name is Tyler Baxter.
All right. When you grow up, what would you like to be? You want to be a police officer?
Shut wrong people.
Okay. All right. Your turn. What is your name? When you grow up, what would you like to be?
I haven't decided yet because right now I'm very immature, so I'm going to wait on my older self to decide.
No, when me
Yes.
go
I haven't decided my occupation.
Not yet? Okay, well, I'll check back with you in a couple of years, okay?
Yeah, you won't find me them time.
No? Okay. What about you? What is your name?
My name is
I
Siobhan
would like to be a
Edwards.
zoologist.
What's your name?
My name is Siobhan Edwards.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A zoologist.
A zoologist. That's good. I'm sure you're gonna make a good zoologist, okay?
Whatever you're going to do.
And what is your name?
Radiant Foster. People.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
A doctor? Well, there are a lot of doctors here, so make sure you talk to some of them, okay? Make sure you talk to some of the doctors. The doctors are here. Okay? What's your name again?
Siobhan Edwards.
Siobhan, what is that green thing on your shirt? This thing right here.
It's for my brother.
What happened to him? How long ago?
December the 3rd, 2023.
Okay, sorry to hear that. You miss him? Okay, well, sorry to hear that, here. All right. Life goes on, all right? Keep going, all right?
Okay.
And cheer up. What is your name? I understand that you're the head boy of the school. How did you become the head boy?
Sir, I work hard towards it.
Yeah, you're a very bright student.
Yes, sir.
Well, congratulations on being the head boy. What would you like people to know about your school here? Grand Spend Primary School. What should people know about it?
It's a very great school.
Great school? You love it here?
Yes, sir.
How many students come to the school? Wow! You don't know the number? No problem. What is your favorite subject?
Maths.
You like mathematics? And what would you like to be when you grow up?
Police.
Want to be a police officer? Okay. Well, keep up the good work in being a head boy. And I feel very proud that you're the head boy. You're a very nice young man, okay? All right, thank you. I understand that you're the senior prefect. What does the senior prefect do?
They like the same thing.
Huh?
They like the same thing. So he's like the head boy of.
Similar to the head boy? Supposing you're walking on the street when you're going home, right? And you see a student fighting another student. What would you do as a senior prefect?
I would part the fight.
Part the fight, and what would you say to them?
I would say.
They shouldn't fight, right? Okay, good senior prefect. Good.
We just walk.
All right, I didn't talk to you. What is your name? What would you like to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
Nice. There are a lot of doctors here, so make sure you talk with some of them, okay? You met any of the doctors yet? Did you meet any of the doctors yet?
Yes.
Yeah, there are doctors here, so let them know you want to be a doctor and let them tell you what you need to do, okay? All right? What is your name?
James.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A nurse.
A nurse? There are a lot of nurses here. You should talk with them about being a nurse. You didn't talk with any of them yet? Tell me again.
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese? That's a different name. I never heard that name before.
She's working again. She's 10 years old and I'm 1 year older than her.
What would you like to be when you grow up? Huh?
Shopkeeper.
You want to be a shopkeeper? Okay.
What kind of shop? What do you want to sell?
But this is snacks.
So ladies, these are 3 new nurses from New York. So if you want to be nurses, make sure you talk with them and find out what you need to do, okay? Go ahead and talk with them. Ask them all the questions. Go ahead and ask them all the questions to be a nurse, okay? Ask her a question about being a nurse.
Do you work late?
Well, I do work late sometimes, and
have to work on the weekend sometimes. So is that something that you would want to do? No?
You don't want to work on the weekend. You don't want to work late.
Honor roll. You want to be a nurse? Tell me why.
You don't want to hurt the sick.
But you sound more like you know why. Why do you want to be a nurse? Have you ever had anybody sick at home and you had to take care of them? No? So what makes you want to be a nurse?
You just want to be a nurse. You just want to be a nurse, right? Think you'll make a good nurse?
What do nurses do? Well, that's what you want to do when you become an adult. You want to take care of the sick. Sick people, children, everything. So to be a nurse, you gotta love science, right? Biology, because it's about taking care. Look
Come,
here,
pay attention,
it's
pay
about
attention.
taking care of the human body. So if you're gonna be a nurse, you have to know about the human body, and you have to do some math, and you have to do something that's called pharmacology, where you learn about medicine, the medication that you take. So it's not a walk in the park. It's a lot of hard work.
But they can do it, right?
Of course, I'm telling them. It's a lot of hard work. So when you pass PEC and you go to high school, you're going to focus on sciences, biology, and all those science classes. Okay? And you have to love people. Right. Because nursing is not just every day beautiful. You're going to have rough days with your patients. So you have to have patience and you have to love people. Right?
Hear that?
The patient might come in the hospital and is feeling sick. And when people come to the hospital, they're looking for love and care. So that's what they want from us as nurses. As you get older, you'll understand. Because when you're sick, you want somebody to be nice to you and kind to you, right? It's the same thing we have to do as nurses.
3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you, Jaja.
Cut. Don't play with the glass. When they say that they can't play with the glasses. Get in character. Everybody get in character. Everybody ready?
Yes.
3, 1, right. Fit, man. Fit. Yes, fit. Yes. Look fit. How many you did? 11. How many did you do? 10. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch out, wicked. Wicked on your feet, Andy. Oh my God. Alright, you got it. Nice. Your boss. You boss and mash up. Watch out. Cut her here. Cut her here. First, you guys meet your Japanese woman? You ever met a Japanese woman before? The first. Okay. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. No one out there. Here we go. Wicked. Go again. Do one more. Wicked. That's good.
For the Tigers.
All right, come. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That's not a good game at all. I don't like it. I don't like that game at all. Stop.
My melanin children.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for coming to our school today. Yay!